Hi guys, Kevin here. Now the blender arrived about 2 days ago and I wanted to give it away. However, there just hasn't been enough subscribers or comments left below. So I'm going to stretch it out for another week to give everybody a chance to enter to win. So the video you want to subscribe to is the Ninja Blender giveaway video. I'm going to leave a little link up here that you can click on so you can go over to that video, like it, subscribe to it, and leave a comment below, and you'll be entered to win this blender, this Ninja Blender that I want to give away. So until next time, take care.